In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Illustrator Error ID -54. This is a frustrating error that usually appears when you try to save your Illustrator file, and suddenly the save fails with a permissions or file lock message. The good news is that this error is very common, and in most cases, it's caused by a simple file access conflict. It usually happens when your file is stored on a network drive, an external drive, or inside a synced cloud folder like Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several quick fixes that usually resolve the problem in just a few minutes. We'll start with the fastest solutions and then move to a few system-level fixes if the error keeps appearing. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator and creative software tutorials. Alright, let's fix Illustrator Error ID -54 step by step. The first and easiest fix is to save your file locally instead of saving directly to a server or synced cloud folder. Illustrator sometimes throws the ID -54 error when another application or sync service is accessing the same file. For example, Dropbox or OneDrive might be syncing the document while Illustrator is trying to save it. To test this quickly, locate your Illustrator file in Finder on macOS or File Explorer on Windows. Drag that file to your desktop or another folder that is stored locally on your computer. Then open the file again in Illustrator and try saving it. If the save works normally, the issue was caused by the network location or the cloud sync service locking the file while Illustrator was trying to write to it. The next workaround is to use Save As instead of the normal save option. Sometimes Illustrator cannot overwrite the existing file because a temporary lock file already exists in that location. To bypass this, go to the File menu and click Save As. Choose the same folder or another local folder and give the file a slightly different name. For example, you can add version 2 or the word updated to the file name. Click Save and Illustrator will create a brand new file instead of trying to overwrite the locked one. In many cases, this immediately removes the error. Another quick fix is restarting your operating system's file manager. Sometimes macOS Finder or Windows File Explorer keeps a temporary hold on a file after generating a preview or thumbnail. When that happens, Illustrator thinks the file is being used by another application. On macOS, you can force quit Finder and it will restart automatically. On Windows, you can restart File Explorer using Task Manager. Once the File Manager refreshes, reopen Illustrator and try saving the file again. Now let's check an Illustrator setting that can also trigger this problem. Illustrator includes a feature called Save in the Background, which allows you to keep working while the program saves your document. In some environments, this feature can conflict with other applications that are reading the same file. To disable it, open Illustrator and press Command-K on Mac or Control-K on Windows to open Preferences. Go to File Handling and Clipboard. In this section, you'll see an option called Save in the Background. Uncheck that option and click OK. With background saving disabled, Illustrator will complete the save process before anything else can access the file, which often prevents the ID -54 error. Another thing to check is the preview pane in your operating system. Both macOS Finder and Windows Explorer can generate previews of files when the preview panel is open. While the system is creating that preview, it may temporarily lock the file. If you have the preview panel open, close it and then try saving again from Illustrator. If you use Dropbox, OneDrive, or another cloud storage service, check whether the folder is set to Online Only or Smart Sync mode. When a file is online only, it may not actually exist on your local drive until the system downloads it. This can cause Illustrator to lose permission to save properly. Right-click the folder and set it to Local or Available Offline so the file stays fully stored on your computer while you edit it. Another important step is making sure Illustrator is fully updated. Adobe frequently releases bug fixes that resolve recurring runtime errors like ID -54. Open the Creative Cloud app, check the Update section, and install the latest version of Illustrator if one is available. If you are on Windows and the problem continues, there is one more fix you can try. Sometimes corrupted Microsoft Visual C++ runtime libraries cause save errors in creative software. Open the Control panel, go to Programs and Features, find Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable in the list, and choose Repair. After the repair process finishes, restart your computer and test Illustrator again. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix Illustrator Error ID -54 and get your files saving normally again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Illustrator fixes and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.